thank you. Who is driving?
The border. Switch off the camera. Oh, pay attention.
So we finally arrived at our parking, and now we urgently have to find a bathroom. There is a very cool guy behind me with sunglasses. So we took the ticket and now going down. I will show you the view in 2 seconds. 1, 2. So let's talk about facts. This place is extremely beautiful. What it is called?
Chiesa Santa Caterina del
Sasso.
Sasso. Where are we? In Lagomaggiore today.
In Italia.
In Italia. And what I want to say? Okay, we bought the ticket. €3, something like that. And then there are 270 steps
To go down.
and then same to come back.
Yes, to go up at first. Not too many stairs, but I started quite fast.
Otherwise there's a lift, but because we are
Young and strong and fit and beautiful and smart.
blah 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 blah, of course we don't take the lift.
I'm
We
fine.
do something different.
I like stairs.
Here, and we go up again. Maggiore, until Arona. Where is Arona? Arona, I see.
Next place that we wanted to see in this trip was this statue of San Carlo. And guess what? We were too late because we were having so good time eating, having a big lunch, and I think we missed the hour, so it's closed, but I show you. I didn't know that you can climb inside the statue.
Of course you can.
Did you do it when you were a
When
little
I was
baby?
a child.
You were a little
A
child?
little baby. Now it's too small for me.
You know how it is to do things with parents. Most of the time you don't even know where you are. Such
No.
a day. Because I asked, do you know where we are? He's like, no. But now we know.
Looks
Because
like
we...
the Sacro Monte di Orta.
He's reading. It's here. He didn't know. Okay, this is the first chapel.
This morning finished our, how can I say, visit up here.
Yes, absolutely amazing. I really loved it here. I was not expecting this. I can tell.
See, now we're gonna have lunch.
Yes. Now we are here
Grazie.
having an amazing lunch with these guys.
Oh, bene.
After this quick lunch, we are going down to the village that we will show you. Okay? Last night here was open because we did a night tour. Now they closed this entrance, so I'm just gonna show the island.